Hey guys, he's the Tri-Star 2 Stupid Talks in 2007. Today I'm going to read the 175th episode of Local History. Today we're talking about the Per Million Company, BMW, NHL 99, and New Jersey Devils. Per Million Companies was requested by Raymond Garza, and BMW was requested by the Action Fan 2021. Show you. First, we're the Per Million Company. 1889 to 1912, here at the logo first. The Per Million Company's name, Aunt Jemima. There's a picture of Aunt Jemima, and on it there's the word use Aunt Jemima pancake flour in black text. 1912 to 1925, there's the word Aunt Jemima's brand pancake flour in white text, and between them there's Aunt Jemima, and it's on a red rectangle. 1925 1950, there's Aunt Jemima on there, there's words Aunt Jemima pancake flour in white text, and Aunt Jemima is on a red rectangle. 1950 1968, there's Aunt Jemima with a bandana, and beside there's where Aunt Jemima in blue text. Here's their version. 1968 to 1989, there's Aunt Jemima on a red circle, and beside it there's where Aunt Jemima in black text. 1989 to 1993, Aunt Jemima is not wearing a bandana, and the word Aunt Jemima is in non-text, and it's on a red background. 1993 to 2020, there's same now the circle and Aunt Jemima, the circle that Aunt Jemima is inside of is now yellow, and where Aunt Jemima is now red, and it's different. 2020 to 2021, Aunt Jemima is removed, and the circle been removed, and there's Aunt Jemima's removed, and the Aunt Jemima are whiter. And 2021 to the present, there's words since 1889 Per Million Company in yellow and white text, and beside the word since 1889 there's a circle with a mill, and everything's on a red background. Alright, now we'll take a look at BMW. In 1960, here at the lower first BMW's name, Rap Merwika. There's the word map motor in white text on a black circle, and there's white stars, and inside of it there's a chest. There's a black chest. 1960, 1933, there's a black ring. There's where BMW in gold text, and beside there's a blue and white shape. 1913 and 1953, the logo got modified. 1936 and 1963, it got lighter. Where BMW is now white, and the gold has been removed. 1963 to 1997, the font is changed, and the word BMW is entirely white. 1970, 1989, same thing, but it's a multicolor shape. 1997 to the present, the logo is 3D now. 2020 now, now the circle is now white and gray. Alright, now we'll take a look at New Jersey Devils. 1974 to 1976, here at the lower first New Jersey Devils name, Kansas City Scouts. There's a white shape with a red outline inside of it. There's Scout. Here's why I don't know what that is. Comment below what you think it is. Beside there's the letters KC and yellow text. 1976 to 1982, here at the lower second New Jersey Devils name, Colorado Rockies. There's a blue mountain with a white ribbon on it. There's a sea. There's a red sea with a yellow circle in the middle. 1982 and 1992. There's a white shape circle with green outline, and on it there's NG and red text with green outline, and it's like a devil, and the J's like a devil. 1992, the present, now the green parts replaced with black. Here's some other versions. Alright, now we're going to take a look at NHL 99. $19.98, there's the EA Sports logo on a blue shape. And on it, there's the EA Sports logo. And beside the EA Sports logo, there's words NHL 99 in white text. Alright, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Logo History. Now, see you in the next episode. Stay tuned for episode 176. Wally, the YouTuber, WLNS TV, NHL 2004, and Washington Capitals. Bye for now.